You all did an awesome job. Next, I have a fun surprise to help you learn even more. I'm going to share some synonyms, antonyms, and idioms for words from the story. Let me know if you like this part. Instead of saying someone is hardworking, we can use the word diligent, industrious, tireless, or dedicated. Some antonyms are lazy, idle, indolent, or negligent. There are some interesting idioms which are relevant to the word hardworking, and I want to share with you. Burn the midnight oil means to work late into the night. Put one's nose to the grindstone means to work hard and steadily. Or go the extra mile means to make extra effort, work harder than expected. Instead of saying stay focused on something, we can use concentrate on, keep one's mind on, or pay attention to something. Some antonyms are get distracted, lose focus, or drift off. There are some interesting idioms which are relevant to the phrase stay focused on something, and I want to share with you. Keep your eye on the ball means to remain focused on what's important. Stay the course means to persist with an activity or goal, or zero in on means to focus closely on something. Instead of saying help someone do something, we can use assist someone in doing something, aid someone in doing something, or support someone in doing something. Some antonyms are hinder someone from doing something, obstruct someone from doing something, discourage someone from doing something. There are some interesting idioms which are relevant to the phrase help someone do something, and I want to share with you. Lend a hand means to help someone with something. Give someone a leg up means to help someone get a better start.